What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix lag and stuttering when gaming on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Before we dive into the solution, let's understand what causes lag and stuttering in PC gaming. Lag in gaming refers to a delay between your actions in the game and the actions being displayed on the screen. Stuttering, on the other hand, is when the game freezes for a fraction of a second repeatedly, disrupting the smoothness of gameplay. These issues can be caused by a variety of factors, including slow internet connections, outdated hardware, or even software conflicts. One effective way to address these issues is by using a virtual private network. A VPN can help improve your gaming experience by stabilizing your internet connection and reducing ping times. For this tutorial, I'll be using PrivadoVPN as an example. When you play games online, your connection stability and speed are crucial. A VPN like PrivadoVPN not only helps hide your identity, but also encrypts your data. This means safer and more secure gaming sessions. Additionally, a VPN can provide access to servers closer to the game servers, potentially reducing lag and improving connection stability. Now, let's get started with setting up PrivadoVPN. If you don't have PrivadoVPN installed, you can download it from the link in the video description. Once you've downloaded the setup file, double-click on it and the installer will guide you through the installation process. It's typically straightforward and automated. After installing, open PrivadoVPN and log in or register using your email account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Click to Connect button. Clicking this will automatically pair you with the best server available in your region. This is great for quickly getting started. However, if you prefer to choose a specific server, you can do that too. Click on the arrow next to the currently selected location to see a list of available servers. Here, you can sort and select servers based on various criteria, like location or ping. This is particularly useful if you want to connect to a server in a specific region, perhaps to play with friends or to access a game server located in that area. Once you've selected your desired server, click on it and PrivadoVPN will connect you automatically. This should help in reducing lag and stuttering in your games by ensuring a more stable and optimized connection. Another key step is managing your computer's resources effectively. Open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape, or by searching for it in your Start menu search. Here, you can see all the programs that are currently running in the Processes section. Look for applications that are using a high percentage of your CPU or memory, especially those you don't need while gaming. Right-click and select End Task to close them. This frees up resources, allowing your game to run more smoothly. For those with NVIDIA graphics card, keeping your drivers up to date is crucial. Open the GeForce Experience app. In the Drivers tab, you'll see if any updates are available. Click Download, and once the download is complete, follow the prompts to install the latest drivers. Updated drivers can fix bugs and improve performance, making your gaming experience better. Adjusting your game's graphics settings can also make a huge difference. Start by reducing settings like shadow quality, texture quality, and anti-aliasing. Each game will have its own set of options, so experiment to find the best balance between visual quality and performance. Lower settings can significantly reduce lag and improve frame rates. Temporary files can accumulate and take up space, potentially slowing down your system. To clear these, type %temp% in the Windows search bar and hit Enter. This opens the temporary files folder. You can safely delete most files in this folder. If it's a file in use, skip it and delete the rest. A wired internet connection can greatly enhance your online gaming experience. Ethernet connections are usually more stable and faster than Wi-Fi. Simply connect an Ethernet cable from your router to your PC. This can reduce latency, leading to smoother gameplay. Next, too many devices using the same network can clog your bandwidth. Try to minimize the number of devices connected. For instance, avoid streaming videos or downloading large files on other devices while gaming. This ensures maximum bandwidth is available for your gaming needs. Be mindful of other applications that might be using up your bandwidth. This includes cloud sync service, streaming platforms, or large downloads. Temporarily pause these activities to allocate more bandwidth to your gaming session, reducing lag. For Windows 10 and 11 users, enabling game mode can optimize your PC for gaming. Go to Settings, then Gaming, and select Game Mode. Turn it on to allow Windows to prioritize your games in terms of resources. This can help improve performance, especially on lower-end systems. Using a solid-state drive for gaming can significantly reduce load times and in-game stuttering. SSDs provide faster read and write speeds compared to traditional hard drives. If you have an SSD, consider installing your games on it for quicker, more efficient data access and overall improved game performance. Incorporating these steps into your gaming routine can greatly enhance the performance and fluidity of your games, providing a more enjoyable and lag-free gaming experience. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.